We want to say thank you to all our partners, people that are supporting Medilog Foundation. You have been reaching out to us. Yes, and this Christmas season, we made an announcement last time that we are putting something together for this Christmas season. We are reaching out to the widows, the orphans, and the blind people in this area where we are, and a lot of people have been supporting us. We want to specifically come and thank as many that have been sending their support. Yes, yesterday I woke up, I saw 1,000 naira donation, and they wrote donation for the widows. God will multiply that 1,000 naira into 1 million for you in Jesus' name. If you send 2,000 naira, God will multiply it into 2 million naira. Yes, and if it is dollar, it will be multiplied back to you. If it is $50, God will multiply it to $50 million. You will not die, but you will see this. It will happen in your eyes. How you are going to make that money back, you don't know, but it will surely come to pass. You will not die, but you will reap all your reward in Jesus' name. God of the widows will supply your needs according to his riches in glory. The God of the blind will blind all the eyes of your enemies. And the God of the orphan will supply all your needs. He will stand for you. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless. Alright, let's talk about what we want to discuss today in our video of today. Okay? Stay tuned.
Simple solutions to life.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you see me for the first time, my name is Medilog and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. In case you're new here, please join us, subscribe to our channel, just hit the subscribe button and be a family member of this wonderful channel, because here we learn about simple solution to life. Yes, I want to show you something today, and I want to crave your understanding, like pound it to your mind to understand why you need to take this step to protect yourself, yes, against witchcraft attack, against evil attack. Yes, this works wonderfully, and it is just a small little something that is you can easily use, and you forget about your problems. Yes, let your enemy pound anything, let them cook anything, let them fire anything. They just be like, nothing do you. So today I want to show us again how you can use crab eyes. You understand? You may have seen some of our content, some of our upload talking about crab eyes, how to use crab eyes for this, for that. Crab eyes is extremely good because some of you, I work with crab eyes in some of the stuff, but in this particular context, I want to show us how you can use this crab eyes and why you should use it. And again, because of different questions that has been coming back to me, people have been asking questions about, hey, Medilog, in your upload about how to do your gum protection, you said that crab eyes is poisonous, that we should not eat it. Yes, crab eyes, according to scientific findings, is poisonous if you chew it, if you break it, You can work with crab eyes, but you should not break it. Yes, you should not break it, as in you put it in your mouth and start chewing it. When you chew it, it can be poisonous to you. But being poisonous also, it depends on your kind of body. Yes, because some people can drink water, they become allergic to it. Yes, and some people can eat swallow, they become allergic to it. Some people can eat rice and become allergic to rice. So it depends on what works for you. But this one, this is a spiritual protection. See, I constantly look out for something that you can use to protect yourself from evil attack left and right. Yes, crab eyes, in one of our upload, how to protect yourself against witchcraft attack. If you have not seen that video, you can check out that video. Okay, just type how to protect yourself against witchcraft attack and you will see it. So in that video, I told us that you can swallow 4 seeds of these crab eyes. 4, you know, like 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. You can swallow 4 of this, and then also you take your alligator pepper, your spiritual alligator pepper. Yes, this one is a spiritual alligator pepper. This is not ordinary alligator pepper. So when you swallow 3 seeds of this, it gives you that spiritual protection. In that video, I was talking about how to do your own gum protection using this crab eyes. I said that if, for example, you are a first man and maybe you're posted to a place where you have to go and be protecting life and property, and there's a lot of gun running in that, maybe in that community or in that area or on that road, you know that you're going to warfare. You go out in the morning, you're not sure you're going to come back home. So I came up with that video on how you can use this to protect yourself. You understand? Just 1 seed of this very early in the morning. When you swallow it like this, without water, without food, just swallow it. Yes, just put it in, just throw it in and swallow it. Pray over it. Just swallow it. Go. You will go and come back. Nothing will happen to you. But when you are stooling maybe in the next day, you will stool it out. Yes, and even these 4 seeds that you're going to swallow for protection, you will stool it out eventually. It's not going to remain in your stomach. So it's not going to poison anybody. Okay? It will not poison you. So you can try this to protect yourself. You wake up in the morning, you see a lot of scratches on your body. You sleep in the night, somebody carry cane and be beating you. Be beating you and say, you that say you not hear what, I will teach you lesson. I'm going to teach you lesson, this and that. There are people who do have that kind of dream. Yes. So if you find yourself, experiencing this type of thing, you will sleep in the night, see masquerade pursuing you. Kitty, 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 kitty. You are running behind you, they are pursuing you. At times they will even catch you, as in they will arrest you in the dream. They will bond you. Some they will use net to catch them, or fall into something. You see yourself falling into something. All these things are all witchcraft attack. Okay? God will show you signs of this thing. Why? Because He wants you to rise up and pray. Yeah, and pray against the attacks. So, At times, things like this will be happening to you, but you will not see it. You will not see anything. That is the worst type of attack. When you wake up in the morning, you will forget. You will not remember. Things will just be happening to you. And you'll be saying, who do I offend? Who do I offend? And you'll be panting and be running up and down. Meanwhile, the solution is very simple. Do this and watch. Yes, like I said it before, if you do this thing and it doesn't work for you, come and beat me in my house. I did my house. Come and beat me in my house. I'm telling you that this is real. This is true. See, take 4 seeds of this. Okay, 4. Like now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of this. Then you open this one. I don't want to open this one because I have other ones that I've opened. But I didn't have time to reach out to them before I started this video. So just open this one. Remember, if you want to use any if you want to use alligator pepper to carry out spiritual prayer, you open it behind your back like this, from the back. You put your 2 hands at the back, then you tear it open. When you open it like this, then you bring your hands to the front. Then you carry the seed. Then you count 3 seeds from inside the bunch here. Then you add it to the 4 crab eyes. You add it to these 4 crab eyes. Then swallow it. I am repeating this. This is the 3rd time I'm repeating this thing because it is highly effective and highly potent. Whether you believe me now or not, it works. This is very, very potent. And I have some friends, when they place order from me, and when I look at their case, I send it to them. Yeah, some people, when they open their bag, they will see it inside. Yes. And they will say, Medilock, you sent this thing to me. I say, yes. Because I know it's not everything you tell a child. Some, if you tell them everything, they'll become afraid. But if you know the solution to what is coming to them, what is happening to them, just send them the solution and the problem will be averted. So guys, do this and you will thank me later. Yes, they will come, but they will not succeed. They will take your name anywhere. They will do like this, do like this. It will not happen to you. They will still see you bouncing. And then they will say, the animal they are shooting is still eating grass. The animal they are shooting is still eating grass. What is the secret? This and that. It works. Okay? So let's take crab eyes. It's very, very effective. Just take it today and you will thank me later. Crab eyes with alligator pepper. 4 seeds of crab eyes and then 3 alligator seeds. Swallow it. When you swallow it today, you will stool it out tomorrow. But it has taken spiritual root in your body. It is the spiritual aspect of it that matters. It will take spiritual root in your body. Yes. I'm repeating it again and again so that it can sink in. So if you have made it this far on this video, you've watched my video this far, congratulations. Okay, so guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet and you have been watching my video, what are you waiting for? It will not cost you anything. They won't charge you for subscribing to my channel. Yes, it's free. Subscription is totally free. Yes, and I want to thank those people that have been supporting, sending their support for the widows and the orphans and the blind for this Christmas season. I really appreciate all of you. You have been sending your help. God will bless you. Yes, this should have been from the beginning of the video. Maybe I should just cut this and go to the beginning and talk about this. Okay?